Mindanao Mineral Processing and Refining Corporation operates its mineral processing plant in Barangay Bayugan 3, Rosario, Agusan del Sur, which covers 250.45 hectares. The processing plant employs carbon and leach to leach out gold from the gold ore using sodium cyanide. Its mill waste is detoxified at the detoxification facility using sodium metabisulfite. The tails are then treated with sodium hypochlorite and caustic solution to neutralize cyanide and pH levels before discharge into the tailing storage facilities. MMPRC is dedicated in protecting the environment, supporting the development of our host and neighboring communities through reforestation. To date, MMPRC has already reforested 877.41 hectares within our mill site and impact community. We maintain a 1-hectare agroforest nursery with various species of indigenous forest trees and fruit trees to support our rehabilitation, reforestation, and vegetation enhancement efforts. Seedlings are sourced out from proficient suppliers and produced in-house through wildling and seed collection by experienced nursery personnel, ensuring high survival rate of the seedlings in the facility.
Ako si Neptali Jane Pino, usa ka plantation and nursery supervisor sa Mindanao Mineral Processing and Refining Corporation. Under sa Mine Environmental Protection and Enhancement Office, diri sa MMPRC nag-maintain mi og 1 ka hektarya nga agroforest nursery nga naay 22 ka species sa indigenous forest trees o 19 ka species sa fruit trees para masuportaan ang amoang rehabilitation of reforestation programs. Gamit ang amoang mga seedling diri sa nursery, kini mo'y amoang ginahatag sa amoang mga beneficiary sa Mining Forest Program Fruit Tree Plantation. Nga sa 1 ka hektarya naghatag mi og 500 ka seedling sa grafted fruit trees o 100 ka seedling sa indigenous forest trees para sa ilahang boundary.
Under the Mine Environment Protection and Enhancement Program, the rehabilitation activities of MMPRC are spearheaded by a licensed forester and implemented by experienced field personnel to ensure suitability of reforestation scheme is being implemented. Contract-based workers were also commissioned to augment in-house personnel conducting reforestation and plantation maintenance works. Latest plantation includes 5-hectare enhancement area in the mill site, 20-hectare enhancement area in collaboration with the Bayugan 3 beneficiary of Water System Association to enhance the vegetation of its water source.
Ako si Venerando Tabuno, Chairman sa Bayugan 3 Beneficiary of Water System Association na mao'y nagdumala sa Adapt a Watershed sa MMPRC. Niadtong 2022 na human ang unang 15 hektaryas nga gitamnan siya og mga indigent nga mga kahoy o mga prutas niadtong 2024. Ug aduna na usab kami karoy gihimuan og pagpananom usab karong 2024 20 hektaryas para sa amoang mga ideklarar nga watershed tungod kay kami man ang nagsupply og tubig ngadto sa kabalayan sa Bayugan 3. Ug dako namo ang pasalamat nining maong programa sa kumpanya sa MMPRC tungod kay usa pud ni nga makatabang nga mapabalik ang kinaiyahan dinhi sa maong kabukiran diin maupod kini siya ang naghatag og tinubdan sa among tubig nga among gisupply dito sa mga katawhan dinhi sa Bayugan 3. Usa ka dakong pasalamat namo sa kumpanya sa MMPRC nga ilahot sab kining gihimo nga programs para sa pagrehab o pagtabang usab sa kabukiran mabalik ang iyahang kinaiyahan.
30-hectare fruit tree plantation at Barangay Marfel, Rosario, Agusan del Sur, benefiting 30 landowners. The plantations use fruit trees like grafted rambutan, lanzones, durian, and mangosteen alongside indigenous forest trees such as molave and lawaan. Previously established fruit tree plantations within the municipality of Rosario are also well maintained.
Ako tuod si Lalin Murata, nagpuyo sa Barangay Marpil og usa ko ka beneficiary sa mining forest program sa MMPRC. Nakadawat ko ini libreng seedling o mga grafted fruit tree o mga fertilizer. O dako kay ko pasalamat sa kumpanya sa MMPRC na ang ilahang program nila na mga prutas na abil nila sa amo ang barangay.
Through this program, we have established a total of 826.81 hectares with 307 beneficiaries. Previously established plantations were also maintained. Landscaping in some areas has been improved using various shrubs and ornamental plants. Progressive rehabilitation efforts provide habitats for wildlife in the mill site and its adjacent areas. Assessment of existing flora and fauna is conducted annually, aiding best intervention for biodiversity conservation. Our commitment to environmental research extends beyond our tenements, with a notable initiative for Agusan Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary. In collaboration with Agusan del Sur State College of Agriculture and Technology, a 2-year research on exploring the impact of flora and fauna biodiversity on unexplored ecosystem sustainability in Agusan Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary is being undertaken. We believe that the output of this research will be a significant contribution for future initiative in the protection and conservation of the protected area. Our environmental efforts are disseminated through conduct of pulong-pulong to the beneficiaries, conducting information, communication, education campaign to the schools and community, distribution of flyers, leaflets, and the company's official publication, The Vein. The information were also broadcasted through radio program casting and official Facebook page posting.
Ingon ni mga Mine Environmental Protection and Enhancement Office. So, ato ipaila-ila balik si Sir Leonard Hilig, ang atong Environmental Compliance Assistant sa MIPEO. Sir, mayong adlaw sa imo diha.
Munang natay gitawag nga pano MIPEO kay regulatory ni siya no sa giingon sa RA 1742 na si mining company dapat ipa-implement siya ng kanang muhatag og protection sa tuang environment. Although nga mining ta, obligado si PhilSAGA nga naatay mga proyekto nga makaprotekta sa tuang kinayahan. So, muna amo ang department kanang MIPEO, muna ang mututok no og ang magpa-implement sa mga programa no. Kanang nga programa mo na itong gitawag nga EPEP. So, Environmental Protection and Enhancement Program.
Driven by the Tiger's vision to succeed through teamwork, act with integrity, and continually achieve growth and excellence, and operate with responsibility, MMPRC will continually be a good steward to the environment and to the community.